Professional contractors who shop at Menards do something that most people who follow them through the store never notice. They pick up a Masterforce Boost impact driver or a Masterforce circular saw, put it in their cart, and then walk to a different aisle and pick up Diablo saw blades or Irwin drill bits to go with it. They do not buy the Masterforce drill bits. They do not buy the Masterforce saw blades. They buy the Masterforce tool and immediately equip it with accessories from a different brand before using it on a job site. That behavior is not random, and it is not brand disloyalty. It is the result of 20 years of accumulated professional experience with a brand that is genuinely excellent in two categories, and genuinely weak in a third. The split within the Masterforce line is one of the most practically useful things a tool buyer can understand about shopping at Menards, and almost nobody has written it down clearly. They buy the Masterforce tool and immediately replace the accessories before using them. That sentence is the entire story, and the rest of this is the explanation of why it is true, which categories it applies to, and what the same store solution looks like for someone who wants to get the most out of a Menards tool purchase. The Masterforce brand is not one product line with one quality level. It is three distinct categories of product that happen to share a name and a label, manufactured by different suppliers, held to different quality control standards, and covered by different warranty terms. Most buyers who look at the Masterforce label see a single brand decision: buy it or do not. The professionals who buy it at scale see three separate decisions happening simultaneously, and they make each of those decisions differently. To understand why a professional would trust a Masterforce drill and immediately replace its bits, you have to understand how the brand is actually structured. The Masterforce hand tool line, including ratchets, sockets, pliers, wrenches, and screwdrivers, has been documented by users with 20-year ownership histories as performing comparably to mid-tier craftsmen and consistently above Harbor Freight's standard line. Forum users on trade-specific communities have rated the Masterforce hand tool line as B+ to A grade, specifically noting 2 decades of reliable daily use with no failures. The lifetime warranty on the wrench and socket lines is handled over the counter at any Menards location, which means the warranty is practically usable in a way that mail-in or service center warranties are not. A Masterforce ratchet is a sound purchase. The professionals who have been buying them for 20 years know this, which is why Menards hand tool aisle gets repeat professional traffic in a store that cannot sell Milwaukee. The Masterforce Boost cordless power tool line is the second strong category, and the one that has the most independent test evidence behind it. The Masterforce Boost 20-volt impact driver generates 2,400 inch-pounds of torque and was scored above Milwaukee M18 3rd and 4th generation impact drivers by Torque Test Channel using a dynamometer built to BattleBot's engineering standards. The Masterforce ultra-compact brushless drill outperforms the Milwaukee M18 compact brushless on both RPM and inch-pounds in factory specifications. The 3-year warranty is handled over the counter at Menards. A woodworker who replaced a previous circular saw with the Masterforce 7¼ rear handle model in a 2024 shop rebuild documented 25% reduced waste on plywood crosscuts, specifically because the saw performed with precision the previous tool did not. The Boost line was built by Chervon, the same OEM that manufactures Ego outdoor power equipment and previously made Flex, and the engineering infrastructure behind it is not entry-level. When Pro Tool Reviews assessed the Masterforce Boost line, they called it genuinely competitive at the professional level. That assessment is consistent with every independent test result the brand has generated since the Boost line launched. Here is what the documented quality split looks like by product category. Masterforce drill bits. The failure mode is consistent and documented across multiple professional forums and review communities. Faster dulling than name brand equivalents. Inconsistent tip geometry that causes the bit to walk on hard surfaces before engaging, and inadequate point angles for specific material types. A Masterforce drill performing above a Milwaukee M18 equivalent on torque specifications will not overcome a drill bit that dulls on the third hole in hardwood. The bit is the tool that actually contacts the material. A weak bit in a strong drill produces weak results. Professionals who buy Masterforce drills and then use Masterforce bits are combining the strongest part of the brand with the weakest. The professionals who know the brand buy the drill and buy Irwin or Bosch bits in the next aisle. Masterforce saw blades. The documented complaint pattern is rough cut quality on finish materials, inadequate tooth set producing tear out on plywood face veneers, and accelerated dulling on hardwood compared to Diablo equivalents. A Masterforce circular saw generating the RPM and torque to complete a cut faster than a Milwaukee equivalent will not produce a cleaner cut if the blade's tooth geometry is inconsistent. Woodworkers who have documented their shop experience with Masterforce consistently report running Diablo blades in Masterforce saws and treating the saw and the blade as two completely separate purchasing decisions. The saw earns trust. The blade does not. Masterforce abrasive accessories, sanding discs, grinding wheels, cutting wheels. The pattern in user reviews is inconsistent disc life and irregular surface finish quality on precision work. For rough material removal, the difference is tolerable. For finish work, it is not. Professionals doing finish carpentry or metalwork who rely on Menards as their primary tool source consistently report buying Masterforce angle grinders and equipping them with non-Masterforce abrasive accessories. The detail that completes this story is that the solution is in the same store. Menards carries Diablo saw blades, the blade brand that professional carpenters and woodworkers consistently rank as the best value combination of price and cut quality available at any retailer. Menards carries Irwin drill bits. Menards carries Bosch accessories in multiple categories. All of them are available with the 11% rebate. A buyer who leaves Menards with a Masterforce Boost drill and a set of Irwin bits has made two separate and correctly calibrated purchasing decisions using the same store and the same rebate event. The drill reflects where Masterforce is strongest. The bits reflect where it is not. The store carries both options in the same trip. The Masterforce buying framework that emerges from everything documented here is specific and actionable. Buy Masterforce Boost cordless tools, drills, impact drivers, circular saws, angle grinders, reciprocating saws. The Chervon manufacturing behind the Boost line is independently tested, and the torque specifications are competitive with Milwaukee at a fraction of the price. Buy Masterforce hand tools, ratchets, sockets, pliers, wrenches, with a lifetime warranty and 20 years of professional durability documentation behind them. Do not buy Masterforce consumables, drill bits, saw blades, abrasive accessories, when Diablo, Irwin, and Bosch alternatives are available in the same store at the same rebate discount. The brand label on the box is not one decision, it is three. The professionals who shop at Menards have been making those three decisions separately for decades. They just have not always explained why. If this changes how you read a tool label the next time you are in a Menards aisle, subscribe. The quality split inside a single brand is one of the most practically useful things a tool buyer can understand. And almost no one who reviews tools at the brand level ever goes one level deeper to show you where the line actually is.